So they was gonna charge her $2,000, right, to replace that main crank seal when this was the only issue. All right, here we go, man. Here we go, another. So, the client said that they took it somewhere to have it repaired, and the people said like, hey, um, you have a main crank leak, and basically it's gonna cost you about $2,000 to fix to replace the crank or whatever. Oil leaking everywhere, smoking up. Lady gets kind of upset because the car's blowing a lot of smoke. So she said, okay, well, I'm gonna just get rid of the car because the simple fact is I can't afford that. So she called us to get a second opinion. 2001 Toyota Camry, and we popped the hood, checked everything, and this is what we found. Okay, so we brought it in the shop, and we checked all over, and we noticed that there wasn't much oil around the crank seal. So we pulled off this valve cover gasket, noticed that it was kind of hard and flat, and then we found this. So they was gonna charge her $2,000, right, to replace that main crank seal when this was the only issue. Got this replaced, put it up there, sealed it up, cleaned off the engine. Car ran like new, no oil leaks. See that? That's what I mean, another dumb diagnosis. And she paid, this place about $160 to actually diagnose it. So that's what I mean, man. Y'all need to follow us, man. And, to see these dumb diagnoses, the world's dumbest diagnosis. You're gonna charge a lady $2,000, for a $250 job for selling the Camry. All right, man, y'all keep following us, man. We'll show y'all a lot more stuff. Also, we replaced these. These are the spark plug core pack seals. This goes in the valve cover. They were so hard that I literally had to take some time and work to get these out. So, just letting y'all know, man, another dumb diagnosis. He want to charge you $2,000 on a $2,500 car. And it's a shame, man. All right, y'all keep following, man. We'll have more stuff coming soon. World's dumbest diagnosis.